will separate into its components. The densest section is comprised of erythrocytes, or red blood cells, and the least dense section will be the yellowish plasma. They are separated by the buffy coat, a white layer containing platelets, as well as leukocytes, otherwise known as white blood cells. As a whole, blood is responsible for distributing various substances around the body, most notably oxygen, which we can't survive very long without. But it also carries nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract and hormones secreted by endocrine organs. Blood also delivers waste products to the organs that will dispose of them, like the carbon dioxide that we exhale. Beyond this, blood serves to regulate pH in various tissues, maintain body temperature, and prevent infections. Let's discuss each component of blood now, beginning with plasma. This is a sticky fluid made mostly of water, but also containing a variety of proteins, nutrients, ions, gases, and hormones. The most abundant plasma protein is called albumin, which contributes significantly to plasma's osmotic pressure, and this is followed by a variety of globulins which bind to certain molecules for transport. Moving to the formed elements, these are erythrocytes, or red blood cells, leukocytes, or white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells and platelets are interesting in that they don't possess all the typical organelles, and they don't divide. They are replaced by stem cells in the bone marrow. Red blood cells are very numerous in the bloodstream, and they are shaped like flattened discs with depressed centers. There is no nucleus, not much of anything inside other than lots of hemoglobin. This is the protein that allows for the transport of oxygen throughout the bloodstream, which is picked up in the lungs and then released for tissue cells throughout the body. There are other proteins as well that have structural or protective functions, but hemoglobin will be the focus here. This is the structure of hemoglobin. It is made of a protein called globin, consisting of 4 polypeptides, 2 identical alpha chains, and 2 identical beta chains, each of which is bound to a heme group with iron at the center.